Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from radical maths. Here we have to evaluate cube root of 33 plus 80 times cube root of square root 320 minus square root 256. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to x. Now I will simplify this radicand separately. So let me write here square root 320 minus square root 256. So I can write square root 320, 64 times 5 minus 256 is 16 square. Now we can cancel square root with square, we will get 16 only. Here I can write root 64 times root 5 minus 16. Now root 64 is 8. So I can write 8 root 5 minus 16. And once I will take 8 common out, then in bracket root 5 minus 2. And this value I will apply here. So x will become cube root of 33 plus 80 cube root of 8 times root 5 minus 2. Now this 8 will come out from cube root as 2. So I can write x equal to cube root of 33 plus 80 times cube root of 8 times root 5 minus 2. In next step, I will take this 8 as 2. So x will become cube root of 33 plus 80 times 2 cube root of root 5 minus 2. Or I can write x equal to cube root of 33 plus 160 cube root of root 5 minus 2. Now I will consider cube root of root 5 minus 2 as y. So I can write and simplify y separately. It will be cube root of root 5 minus 2. Let's consider cubing both sides. So y cube will become root 5 minus 2. Now I will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. So I need to multiply both sides by 8. So I will multiply here with 8. So I need to multiply by the same in RHS. So I can write 8y cube equal to 8 times root 5 minus 2. So LHS will become 2y whole cube. Let me write here 2y whole cube equal to, I will write 8 times root 5 minus 2, which will give us 8 root 5 minus 16. Now I can split 8 as 5 plus 3. So I will be writing 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5, and minus 16 we can write minus 15 minus 1. LHS is 2y whole cube. Now I will rearrange the numbers. 5 root 5 first, minus 1 second, minus 15 third, and 3 root 5 fourth. Can we write 5 root 5 as root 5 whole cube? Can we write minus 1 as minus 1 whole cube? Can we write minus 15 as 3 times root 5 square times 1? And can we write 3 root 5 as 3 times root 5 times 1 square. So this is replicating one identity from algebra, a minus b whole cube. It is equal to, you can see, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So if you will notice RHS, it is matching with our identities RHS. So I can write 2y whole cube equal to root 5 minus 1 whole cube. Let us take cube root both sides. For the real value of y, we'll be getting root 5 minus 1. Once I will divide by 2 both sides, I will get y value root 5 minus 1 over 2, which I will apply to our expression RHS. I will be writing x equal to cube root of 33 plus 160 times y. So in that place I will write root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now I will cancel 160 and denominator 2. So 80 will be here, which will give us 33 plus 80 root 5 minus 1. Or I can write cube root of 33 plus 80 root 5 minus 80. Further I can simplify and I can write 80 root 5 minus 47. This is our x. Let's consider cubing both sides once again. So 80 root 5 minus 47. So 80 we can split as 16 times 5. Root 5 minus 47. Now 5 I can write root 25. This is square root 25 times root 5 minus 47. Or I can write 16 times square root 125 minus 47. Let me write here 16 times square root 125 minus 47. This is equal to x cube. Now I will use again Simon's favorite factoring trick. So I need to multiply both sides by 8. So I will write here 2x whole cube as LHS. RHS will be 8 times 16. So 128 square root 125 minus 8 times 47, 376. Now I will split 128 as 125 plus 3. So I can write 125 root 125 plus 3 times square root 125 minus 376. We can split minus 375 minus 1. Let us rearrange the numbers. 125 root 125. Then we can write minus 1. Then minus 375. And then plus 3 times square root 125. 125 root 125. It is root 125 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube. Minus 375. We can write 3 times root 125 square times 1. And last term, I can write plus 3 times square root 125 times 1 square. Again, I will be writing a minus b whole cube formula, which will match with our RHS. Formula is minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So left hand side is 2x whole cube. Right hand side is square root 125 minus 1 whole cube. Now I will take cube root both sides. For real x, 2x will become square root 125 minus 1. And once I will divide both sides by 2, we will get our answer square root 125 minus 1 over 2. Or we can write 5 root 5 minus 1 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next video, good luck.